Again, today we're doing the same project as yesterday with the nucleo, but this time we're using it as inputs. If we can zoom in up here, we can see the GPIO inputs for PA0 and A1. This time we're using two push buttons in this case, which last time I showed you that it can switch between the smiley face and the arrow during time. Now we're using manually by pressing two push buttons. This is how it should be. These three should be the same like the last video. Well, only they set these as inputs. Now we can go back to the code. As you can see here, forgive me if you don't see any, if it's not clear. This is the same code like yesterday, just adding the buttons as functions or definitions to be exactly. These are the function prototypes. This is how it should be, just like similar to the same, just add a bit of a function of what happens when you push the push buttons. This is how it should be. Yes. Now let's get to the circuit. This is how it should be. Like the setup like last time. Just adding these wires. This one, the white and the jumper wires for the push button. And tell me how much resistance are these. These are pulled down. Basically, put a 10k ohms works very well. Let's make it better. This is the diagram. This is the diagram I showed you, but in paper. If you didn't see the diagram from the last video, you can watch it here as well. I'll explain this. There's the same earth, the 10k ohm resistors, pull down, the push buttons, and this is the nucleo with the same pinouts as the previous one, just adding these input pins. Now, without further ado, let's run the code. As we show here, we press the play. As it's debugging, code is done. Now we can press the first button. If we press the first button, we have the smiley, and the second one, the arrow, and then you can keep on pressing. Hope you liked it, guys. See you next one.